I wanted to know, is there a length of time that has to go by before you can try to get money for your injuries?
Okay, Rebecca, I'm just going to assume it's a car accident case. No, there's not a length of time. Actually, the sooner that you hire an attorney, the better off you are, number one, because now you have somebody that's actually helping you who's been in that situation in the past, and they can tell you what to expect and kind of give you the guidelines about what to do and what to stay away from. Number two is, as far as the length of time is concerned, you know, depending on your case, if you have not reached a level of, there's a fancy word, of a phrase of maximum medical improvement, MMI. If you haven't reached that threshold yet, there may be some suspect of whether or not you actually need to settle your case or not. I mean, there's some conversation that's, you know, don't just go out there. There's a lot of law firms that will just settle your case on the cheap and basically won't really evaluate your case. It would be very foolish. And let's just use a hypothetical here. If someone, a large trucking company, caused a major injury to you, and that trucking company came to you and offered you pennies on the dollar, but was still a substantial amount of money. Well, a lot of people would be tempted to take that. Okay, however, you may have more injuries than what you even know about. You may have to have surgery in the future. You may have to be off work for an extended period of time. So there's no really good reason to resolve your case at that point because you're not getting fully compensated. There are other times that you can look at your case and it might have been a minor fender bender and you've had a few medical bills and you're feeling great and it's been a couple months and you don't have any reoccurring issues and you're like, Mr. Young, you know, we probably need to resolve my case. Well, then you can get it done then. But we always err on the side of caution to make sure that we understand all of your damages, all of your injuries, all of your loss of earnings, your everything that makes up your damages, okay? We make sure we understand that before we try to resolve your case.